Alright boys, tutorial number 3. We're now going to learn how to play something called inversions. There are three different ways to play a major chord, or any chord should I say, a major triad chord. Triad being 3 notes, remember. You have what you call the root position. Then you have what you call the first inversion. And then you have what you call the second inversion. Now let's try and explain a little bit more. Our first chord was an A major, which started with A. Now, because A is the most important note that our key is in, our chord is in, we call that the root note, and we call the chord the root position. A, C sharp, E. Now, the second chord is called a D major. I want to play D major without making this massive jump. There are 3 ways I can play D major. I can play D, F sharp, A. I can reorder it by moving this D up what you call an octave. When you move up from one note to the same note but just one higher up or one lower down, you call it an octave jump because you're moving up 8 notes in the scale. Not to worry about if you don't know what that means. So we've got this D major in a root position because D is the first note. I'm going to move D up an octave here. Move the camera over. I still have the same notes, F sharp, A, D, but I put it in a different order. That's what you call the first inversion. So root, D, F sharp, A, then inversion, F sharp, A, D, first inversion. I can also reorder it again, move the F sharp up an octave, A, D, F sharp. So 1, root, first inversion, second inversion. Now as you can see, the second inversion of D major includes the A at the bottom. A major, if I just move these 2 over, I have a D major now. Just a second inversion. As you can see, I've just moved that A down. So it makes it easier. Wild thing. I can do the same thing with E major. I will play the second inversion. So I'll just move that B down. Keep the same 2 notes here. And I've got B. Can you see how this jump is much smaller? Look at these huge jumps. Root. But if I do this instead, practice it. D, E major, D major, A major. And it should sound like this. Wow thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. I said wild thing. There you go. Inversions. Check out the slippers. Oh yeah. Practice that, boys.